Imagine this. Your car suddenly breaks down, or you receive an unexpected medical bill. You open your bank account and realize you don't even have $1,000 saved. Sounds stressful, right? But here is the good news. You can actually build that safety net faster than you think, even if your income is tight. Today, I'll show you simple, practical steps to save your first $1,000 quickly. No complicated finance jargon, no unrealistic promises, just real hacks that actually work. And the best part? Anyone can do this, starting right now. Before we talk about saving, we need to know where your money is going. Most people have no idea how much they're spending on small things like snacks, coffee, or random online purchases. Start by tracking every dollar for at least 1 month. Write it down in a notebook, use a budgeting app, or even your phone's notes app. Once you see where your money leaks are, you'll spot areas where you can cut back. For example, if you're spending $150 a month eating out, cutting that in half already puts $75 back in your pocket. That's almost $1,000 in just over a year. And we're only on step 1. Do you really need 5 streaming services, 3 shopping memberships, and a premium music plan you barely use? Probably not. Go through your bank statements and cancel everything you don't use regularly. Keep only 1 or 2 that you absolutely need. Let's say you cancel $30 worth of subscriptions. That's $360 saved in a year. That's over a third of your $1,000 goal just by clicking Cancel. Easy win. Food is one of the biggest expenses for most people. If you buy lunch at work every day, you could easily spend $10 to $15 daily. That's $200, $300 per month. Gone. Instead, try meal prepping. Cook at home in bulk rice, pasta, chicken, and vegetables, and pack your meals. Not only does this save money, but it's healthier too. Imagine saving $150 per month just by skipping takeout a few times a week. In 7 months, that's your $1,000 right there. It's not glamorous, but it works. And yes, you can still treat yourself once in a while, but make it the exception, not the routine. One of the best ways to save is not to even think about it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account the day you get paid. Even if it's just $20, $30, or $50 every paycheck, the money will add up without you noticing. Think about it. $50 every 2 weeks equals $1,300 in a year. That's your $1,000 done. The trick here is consistency. Treat your savings like a bill you must pay. You don't question your rent or your phone bill, right? Do the same with your savings. Pay yourself first. Look around your house. How many things are you keeping that you never use? Old gadgets, clothes, furniture, video games, and fitness equipment can all be turned into cash. Use apps like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or local buy and sell groups. Even a garage sale works. Most people can easily make $200 to $500 by selling unused items. Not only does this bring you closer to your $1,000 goal, but it also clears up space in your home. 2 wins in 1. So, instead of letting your old stuff collect dust, let it collect dollars. If you want to speed things up, add a side hustle. You don't have to start a business. Small jobs can make a big difference. Drive for Uber or Lyft, deliver food, walk dogs, babysit, or do freelance work online. Even a few hours a week can bring in an extra $100 to $200 per month. Here's the biggest trap people fall into. As soon as they get a raise or earn extra money, they start spending more. This is called lifestyle inflation. If you want to save $1,000 fast, avoid it. Whenever your income increases, keep your spending the same and send that extra money straight into savings. For example, if you get a $100 raise, don't upgrade your Netflix plan or buy a new gadget. Instead, transfer that $100 each month into your savings account. In 10 months, you'll hit $1,000 without even trying. Simple, but powerful. Saving money can feel boring, but motivation is key. Break your $1,000 goal into smaller chunks. For example, aim for $100 first, then $250, then $500. Celebrate each milestone not by spending, but by rewarding yourself in free ways. Maybe it's a movie night at home, a walk in the park, or just crossing it off your checklist. Watching your progress grow step by step will keep you motivated. Remember, saving money isn't just about numbers. It's about building security and peace of mind. So, let's recap quickly. Track your spending, cut unnecessary subscriptions, meal prep, automate your savings, sell unused items, pick up a side hustle, avoid lifestyle inflation, and stay motivated. Do just a few of these steps consistently, and you'll reach $1,000 much faster than you think. And once you do, you'll feel the power of having a safety net. That $1,000 won't just be money, it will be peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more simple personal finance tips. Your journey to financial freedom starts here.